without physically dropping it. The athleticism has shone through, and now it's time to see if that ring rust is nothing but dust. As Andy the Dreadful Bird returns against a former recent ECCW champion, the Monster Bishop. Might be having a little bit of trouble here. Power game, but he outsmarts him. Oh, very crafty of Bird. Bird has got to have better brain usage than most of the other athletes. Bird rolls him up. He gets a 2. I think he's catching Bishop a little off guard here, reminding him that all it takes is a 1, 2, 3. He was that close, that and he looks to have made some kind of a short reference. I'm not going to really get into that a lot further, but he could be adding insult to injury in addition to showing him how close he actually is to beating him with a roll-up. Wrestling hold him close. Locked him in that waist lock. Oh, and a hard elbow. Oh, third in the air. And a drop kick right to the testicles. And Bish has fallen. And again, Bird waiting it out. He's got to be frustrated for the ex-champion here. Mike Shreddz can give all the support he wants on the outside. Bishop's got to get the job done in the ring, and so far, Andy's embarrassing in big man. That wasn't an old-fashioned wrestling move. Certainly, and this could be the Bishop bomb right here. And Bird fighting his way out, tries to roll through, to no avail. Ducks through off the ropes. Oh, look at him soar! Oh, the Fish is seeing stars. I don't think he knows where he is right now. That was just hair and green and spinning, and I don't think anyone has their bearings at this point. And across the ring flies Bird. Knees to the chest. Going bananas. And Shreddz gets popped in the face for his troubles too. Bird in control of Bishop. Across the ring. Oh no, not this time. Oh no. And what a suplex. And that's going to stop that man from flying right in his tracks. Bird running into the side of a 747 in midair. Bird, he was howling like beast trying to kick off the challenger. To a spin out, and again the heart of the Bird. That soaring spirit just wouldn't give up. not in a good position here. He better move out of the way, or this is going to end. Oh, he did! And right on his keister, Bishop. Oh, nice choking Andy. He didn't take too kindly to getting that ring apron up to the butt. His head right off. It was like decapitating a chicken. Except Andy's not a chicken, but he's still a bird. Hello! What was left of the head just fell off. Tomorrow morning, when the doctor asks how Andy's neck hurts, he is going to say, dreadful. And still, only a toothache. He refuses to give up. His dream of soaring to a Pac-Cup championship will not go untouched. And look at the fighting spirit. Like a soaring eagle. Like a woodpecker. And he has just oh! But even a bird has a kitchen sink, and this just flooded the kitchen sink. We're going to need to call a plumber in here. This drainage has got to be messed up. Bird trying with all his might. Barely having. Oh, look at those huge. Oh, come on. Come on, ref. Oh my God. Look at him. Oh my God. And he kicked out. I can't believe it. Body gets contorted and flung around like a rag doll, and Andy the Dreadful Bird somehow is kicked out, and he is still in it, and this clock is going just fucking crazy. And I think this is going to finish it off right here. That's got to be it. Oh! Bomb right in the corner. Back through. Got stuff full of three-time Pacific Cup champion. What power! And a cover! Oh, and again Bishop kicks out after two. And this time Andy can't believe it.